Okay, guys, this weekend we'll be tearing into this transmission to figure out what's wrong with it. I just got back from Terrell's a little bit ago, and he got everything off for me. I probably didn't have to take this off, I'm not sure yet. He also lended me his book. Which, yeah. This is the 4-speed right there. Focus. Okay, this phone doesn't want to focus right now. Okay, there it goes. So, it even has, I'm pretty sure it has the gearboxes too. But, section 5 is what we're going to be going after, which is this trans right here. Right there. And of course, to Cumish. Oops, this cover just came off, but oh well. We melted the bearings, at least the covers, so I'm going to have to do something about that. I just tried a couple of the Allens, they broke free. So the book shows this side down, so I'll make a jig up on top of this table, and we'll split it like that. I'll probably use a couple rims or something. I'll figure something out. And reason why I had him to take everything off is so I can clean it up and sorry guys, paint it up, not break wind. There you go, Flash. He's just hunting around. He's got free roam of this place, you know that. But yeah, I'm hoping to get this thing back in the machine if there's nothing major going wrong, because these are all supposed to be in line. So there's a parts transmission right out there at the 4-speed out of a 68, and this one blew the differential. So I'm probably going to have to cut the hub off this side, because I ain't taking this thing all the way over there just for piddly crap. And we'll salvage whatever we can out of this trans, and then it'll probably go to the junkyard because there's not much left of it. It's got good axle seals, well, bearings, as far as I know, and we'll go from there. So anyway, guys, this is a heads up of what is to come this weekend. Like we said in other videos, Friday we're going to Pontiac. Yeah, probably Saturday we'll get to it. And if it all works out, I'll have the other axle housings on this thing fixed up, and it will be painted up and possibly put back in on Sunday or Monday. And that'll be good. You know, something was fishy towards the end anyway because it wasn't popping out of gear anymore. So, and I was going hard on it, so. Oh well. We'll figure that out. Because this trans like to pop out a second also. So once I get in there, I might have find out what's wrong too. It might have broke a shifter fork. I don't know yet. In which case, we'll be taking that one apart. Anyway, so to steal parts. If it comes down to it, we'll pull that transmission back out of there. I mean, this is if I can't fix this crap, you know. We'll split that one and use this side and figure out if there's any other bearings that are going out on that transmission, and we'll get it ready to go back in. But alright, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and you know the drill. See you on the next one.